Hello and welcome back to your Facebook fan page. We are of course using Medicine Hat Esplanade Arts and Heritage Center as our demo page, and this page is currently unpublished, so you won't be able to find this on Facebook. This is just what I'm using to help show you all of the different things that we can do on Facebook. And in the last session we talked about bit.ly URL shortener. That's bit.ly. Now, the reason this is useful, I'm going to bring up their page here, is because it shortens long links. So if you've got something that's a rather long URL, then it can be shortened down pretty easily. We're going to take a look at posting a YouTube video. Once again, this is a rather long URL here. It's youtube.com/watch, a code, feature related, although that's not necessary. We're going to go back over to bit.ly. And I want you to sign up your own account here. So pause the video anytime, go in, get your own account. It only requires an email address, but this is what allows you to track all of your links. Without an account, you're not going to be able to track your links. You'll just be able to shorten. Tracking is important. So we're going to paste our YouTube link there, and we see that it shortens it to bit.ly TQ3BJB. Now, I'm going to go a little bit more in depth than I did last time. We can customize that further. So you can see that this link that I've just posted, it's going to pop up down here at the bottom saying that we've got a new YouTube link. But the customize button right here will allow us to customize that and make it not TQ3BJB. So let's say what we wanted to portray there was, let's see, that was, I don't know, something from Esplanade. So I'm just going to put some numbers at the end there so that we don't waste any of the important URLs that you could be using in the future. So what I've put in there is Esplanade 4444. So now we're changing that link to bit.ly/Esplanade 4444. And when we press the customize button, we're now able to copy that link as Esplanade 4444. Now, the reason this is useful is because it's going to be easier for you to track these links and repost them in other places. We're going to go back over to our Facebook page, and of course we're posting a link, so click on the link button there. And then in the text bar, we're going to paste in our link, which is bit.ly/Esplanade 4444. And that's going to post that community video, which was actually a chili cook-off video there. So posted the video for us, and then we can of course highlight and edit any of the information that you need to change there. And then you might also want to do this. If it's a tweet, then it might be phrased differently to save a little bit of space. But this bit.ly URL is going to help save a lot of characters on the overall post, so that you're not taking up a lot of space. So remember, engage with your users. Find out a way you could get them to share this link. Press post there. And actually, what you can do, I believe, is highlight that whole string there. Just make it www.bit.ly/Esplanade 444, then press the post button. So that's going to create a link for them there. When they click the bit.ly, it's going to bring them right over to Facebook and play it. But that's something that they can copy and paste, share in their email. Just a much shorter way to remember that leads them over to this video right here, which we can also play directly on the page.
Tom here from comtv.ca, and I'm down at...
Okay, so now that video's on the page, we can go back, and since you now have your own account here, we're going to press reload, and you'll see some statistics here. So now we see that there is 1 out of 1 click, and we can also look at the info page by clicking right here. Now this is kind of neat. You guys have worked with QR codes in the past, or maybe you haven't, but you'll see this code pop up in the top right here. That's automatically generated by bit.ly, and it's leading directly to that YouTube video. So what I would recommend is that if you're printing posters or any kind of printed media that involves anything around that video, let's say it was a promotional video for the event, then you would want to use that QR code on your printed material, because it's going to lead the mobile user directly to that video. So instead of sending them to a web page that might not be made for a mobile device, you'll be sending them right to their YouTube app on their phone, or a mobile YouTube website to play that video for them, which is very useful. And it's of course going to track all of those scans right here for you, so that you can see, what day it was scanned and how many times it was scanned. Really giving a lot of information, even location details on which country it was scanned in. So this is some information that will help you track. You're also going to be able to see whether or not this bit.ly link was shared or retweeted. So it gives you a lot of analytic information on what your post did after you posted it on Facebook, and maybe what that QR code was able to achieve on whichever location you put it at. So the other recommendation that I could make is that sometimes what you might want to do is create alternative bit.ly links specifically for individual locations. You might want to have one that's bit.ly at the Esplanade, and that's where you put the Esplanade poster, and then maybe have another poster that's handout material, and call that one handout material, so that you're able to track the separate scanning of those codes depending on where that code was printed. So that's all the information that I want to provide you on bit.ly. So make sure again that you get your own bit.ly.com, bit.ly account, so that you're able to shorten your links and track them just like this, and post them on your Facebook fan page, and then of course also get that QR code. Just a quick explanation there. QR stands for quick response. That's that code right there, which you would print out on your printed material, and somebody could use an iPhone or Android device to scan it. So thanks again for checking out Luminos Consulting and Productions informational video on Facebook posting using bit.ly and tracking those links. We hope that you check back every week for new information. Thank you very much.